The digital world is expanding at an astonishing pace. The digital world is being ruled by cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. In the crypto industry, new projects are introduced every day, but if you have been there for a while and are doing well, and crypto enthusiasts are big fans of them. Today our video will focus on Chain, the cloud blockchain infrastructure, and its native XCN token that runs on top of it. Let's start our video without wasting any more time. Chain is a cloud blockchain infrastructure that allows businesses to create better financial services from the bottom up. The Chain has released Chain Core, Permission, and open source blockchain in sequence. A ledger as a service platform. Clients can use Chain tokens CHN to earn discounts and pay for commercial costs and engage in community protocol governance and gain access to premium features. Institutions may use Chain Core to establish and administer a blockchain network or link to a growing list of other networks that are changing how assets move throughout the world. The Chain protocol specifies how assets on a blockchain network are issued, transferred, and managed. It enables a single organization or a collection of organizations to run a network, permits many types of assets to coexist, and is compatible with other independent networks. Chain Core is designed to meet the performance requirements of modern financial systems. A transaction's time to generate, sign, and validate is measured in milliseconds. The sequence is a ledger as a service that allows business to securely track and transfer tokenized balances. Organizations may use Sequence to safely manage their financial assets in token format on private ledgers and quickly transfer them across public networks. The decentralized blockchain platform Chain was established in 2014 and has received over $40 million in funding from Kozla Ventures, RRE Ventures, and other investors and key partners such as Capital One, Citigroup, Fiserv, Nasdaq, Orange, and Visa. In the past, Chain has cooperated with and worked to establish blockchain networks for clients such as Visa, Nasdaq, State Street, Citibank, and many more. Chain, a company specializing in the development of blockchain-based technologies, has set itself the goal of creating an economy that is both smarter and better connected. Chain creates cryptographic ledgers that serve as the founding for innovative financial products and services. These ledgers are powered by Sequence, the company's ledger as a service platform. The utility-based Coin XCN was launched on the LBank exchange and several other exchanges to broaden the company's worldwide reach further and assist it in achieving its vision. Chain XCN is a utility-based cryptocurrency that may be used on Sequence for discounts, VIP access, and to pay for commercial costs. Sequence was the first platform to support Chain. In addition to this, it utilized for on-chain governance of various community-driven activities. CHN was the initial implementation of the Chain token. After a successful audit by Cert2K, the new Chain token smart contract has been published to the Ethereum leading network. The ticker has been changed from CHN to XCN, and the contract itself has been given a new name. The coin is redenominated at a ratio of 1 to 1,000, which the original contract did not have, and it implements native on-chain governance, which the previous contract did not have. You may transfer CHN using a standard ERC20 transfer using any wallet that is not a custodial wallet, and you will immediately get XCN back at the ratio of 1000 XCN to 1 CHN. The Sequence is a cloud-based ledger as a service that may be used to manage balances. It makes it simple to construct, run, and grow companies that think ahead of their time by combining the utility of data model built on tokens with the probability of the cloud. The Sequence can safely track any value, enabling software development teams to concentrate more on shipping and scaling their products than on designing and maintaining ledger infrastructure. Many businesses, including mobile wallets, crypto asset exchanges, lending platforms, sharing economy applications, payment services, financing sites, asset managers, and many others, employ Sequence as their system of record. The Sequence is helpful for any application that needs to record transactions and calculate balances. 1 million transactions can be processed within Sequence's standard plan at no cost whatsoever. The inclusion of an infinite number of team members, accounts, and inquiries is included. Get in contact with the platform so that you may discuss a custom plan if you want a greater production transaction volume, specialized support, enterprise service level agreements, or anything else. What can you do with Sequence? A complete transactional backend that is hosted in the cloud, the Sequence allows you to move quickly and accomplish more. Let's discuss its benefits. With the assistance of Sequence, you can move your focus from the process of constructing and maintaining ledger infrastructure to shipping and expanding your product. You can quickly add additional accounts, asset categories, and even goods with the assistance of Sequence, and there will be no need to recode your ledger to do so. You will have no trouble accomplishing anything if you use Sequence to scale your business, which means preparing the groundwork necessary to permit and sustain development inside the organization. It implies being able to develop without having that development impeded. Planning a certain amount of financing and having the appropriate systems, employees, procedures, technology, and partners are required. The sequence was designed with the enterprise in mind, so it can grow alongside your company as it expands. If you utilize Sequence to check integrity, you won't have any problem achieving your goals, since it is an immutable, append-only cryptographic data model that prohibits tampering with data and corruption of assets. This will allow you to complete any task with ease. You can achieve what you want by using Sequence. You can quickly gain insights into your company that are unparalleled via grain tracking and robust analytics. Because of their unique qualities and attractive nature, NFTs have quickly become the newest trend in the cryptocurrency industry. The fact that its value is constantly increasing is the aspect that attracts the attention of the vast majority of people who are interested in cryptocurrency. You may become a partner with Chain to establish your own custom branded NFT that resides on the blockchain with dynamic parameters provided by Sequence if you get some assistance from Sequence. Chain token, also known as XCN, is the governance and utility token for the Chain protocol. It was developed to allow users to vote on different community-driven initiatives and upgrades to the Chain protocol. On top of that, XCN may be used to get discounts, VIP access, and as a payment mechanism for commercial fees when purchasing Sequence and other Chain ecosystem items. Utility payments. As a utility token, XCN may be used for practically any function that a developer can think of. In a general sense, it gives users access to particular service or products associated with the Chain ecosystem. While the transfer of value is technically one of the uses for XCN, it is not their primary function in most cases. It's possible that you'll require an XCN token to engage in any number of decentralized finance DeFi activities, such as trading tokens on a decentralized exchange, DEX. Alternatively, the XCN token might be used to reward users of the platform or to pay interest to those who deposit funds that the platform then loans out to borrowers. Alternatively, the company could utilize the proceeds to reward users of the platform. Staking is a concept that you will often hear if you are an investor in cryptocurrencies. Staking is a method used by several cryptocurrencies to verify transactions, and it also provides users with the opportunity to receive rewards based on their holdings. Because Chain offers high interest rates for staking, staking may be an excellent method to use your XCN token to create passive income. You must have a comprehensive understanding of the staking process before you stake at the Chain platform. In a decentralized system, XCN acts as a governance token, representing ownership. XCN token holders are granted various powers that can be used to affect the direction that a protocol takes. This might involve determining which new goods or services to develop, how to spend a budget, whether integrations or partnerships should be explored, and a variety of other factors. In a general sense, there are two different ways that one might exert this impact. To begin, anybody who has an XCN token can make modification proposals through an official proposal submission procedure. XCN token holders will have the opportunity to vote on proposed modifications using their tokens if specific requirements are satisfied and the proposal is put up for a vote. The particular methods and procedures by which these rights can be exercised vary from protocol to protocol. Even Chain's implementation is unique. The holders of XCN tokens are eligible for discounted fee rates. This means that you will receive a discount on the fees required to do key tasks carried out on the Chain platform. XCN tokens is one of the many different types of cryptocurrencies available and can bring about a significant change in the cryptocurrency field by establishing a new status quo for the conduct of financial transactions. Institutions that rely on consistency, such as Visa and Nasdaq, might put even more of their financial weight behind XCN to support the transactions they conduct on blockchains if the predictions regarding the low-risk investment potential of XCN prove to be accurate. If the collaborations that Chain has formed with these businesses are thriving on a significant scale, people worldwide will take note. As more of the world's leading government bodies and powerful institutions begin to recognize cryptocurrency as a viable means of exchange, financial transactions may become significantly more focused on the blockchains due to their reliability and capacity to track every bit of information that travels through them. Let's conclude our video. During this period, when the market is experiencing a downward trend, many investors are taking advantage of XCN being predicted to be a low-risk investment. The Chain has formed some inspiring collaborations with various groups, which help establish XCN as a coin worth keeping an eye on. If XCN's partners are thriving due to their blockchain efforts, the world of financial transactions may place a greater emphasis on blockchain operations, and Chain may become one of the essential players in this space. The blockchain will become home to an increasing number of enterprises as cryptocurrency gains momentum in the highest echelons of society. If blockchain projects can start this shift off on the right foot, there is a good chance that their prices will rise in the future.